You made the decision. It's strategic. It's yours. But now comes the part that changes everything. You have to say it loud. And if you say it the wrong way, you don't just lose the idea, you lose your authority. In 4 minutes, I'll give you a prompt that pulls out the hard truth you've been editing out. Here is the brutal reality. Your message gets diluted, your influence gets diluted. And when that happens long enough, you stop trusting your own voice. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to communicate with such a clear conviction that people don't just think, I get it, they will feel it. Most communication advice is about performance, power voices, vocal tone, executive presence. But that's not the real issue. The real issue is that you are not communicating what you actually think. You are communicating what others think. And people can fill that gap. So by the end of this video, you will have a draft that sounds like you, 3 frames that make your truth land with your boss, with your team, with the board, and 3 anchor phrases plus tough questions that you can deliver without overthinking. Please stay until the end because I'll show you the one sentence that instantly clears your influence in the room so you can't stop saying it. Let's think about this scenario. You are in a meeting, you have a bold idea, and right before you speak, the inner critic kicks in. Is it too aggressive? Should I apologize? Do I really voice my opinion? How do I grab these disclaimers so I can still be likable? So you soften it. And by the time it leaves your mouth, your idea is so watered down, it's invisible. Then the worst happens. And you cannot let me lie. This happens most of the time. Someone else says the same thing, clearer, firmer, and suddenly everyone gets it. The room lights up and you are there sitting thinking, that's what I thought. That's what I wanted to say. That is not a confidence problem. That is a translation problem. So the prompt number 1 I'm going to share with you today is going to help us dig your real voice back fast. The future field leader communication style isn't only being eloquent. It's about being real, authentic. Most women leaders build their message from the ground side. You build the message based on what others think. What are they thinking? So we are going to start with what is true. You will bring the messy authenticity and AI will bring the structure. Let's close that gap between your brain and your voice. This is where conviction comes from. Here's the prompt so you can just copy and paste. I need to communicate about a topic in the brackets. Help me extract my authentic message, act as a mirror and answer. What do I actually believe about this? Unfiltered? Why does this matter to me personally? What is it, the hard truth that I'm afraid to say? And how do I say this so it sounds like me, not like a corporate robot? Write a draft 0 that is honest and direct. So here is how it looks like in practice. And it only takes you 2 minutes. You're gonna grab your phone, save a voice note, rough drafts, 30, 60 seconds. Then you paste that script into AI. Ask for the draft 0. When you stop asking permission to have an opinion, respect shows up. Next, I'll show you how to frame the same truth so your boss, board, or team actually hears it without selling your soul. This is the prompt number 2. Frame it so it lands. Influence isn't manipulation, it's alignment. So here is the prompt for you to copy and paste. Based on my authentic message about the topic, help me frame it for the audience, boss, team, the board. What is the benefit for them? What is their likely objection? And how do I address it with confidence? Give me 3 opening lines. 1 energizing, 1 reassuring, 1 visionary. Tell me which opening best matches my leadership manifesto and why. Here is how this looks in reality. The truth is, my team is burning out. When you do the reframe, it sounds like we are risking delivery and Q4 revenue because capacity is maxed. Same truth, different doorway. Prompt 3 gives you anchor phrases and tough questions so you don't freeze in the room. Presence disappears when you are stuck in your head. This prompt handles the logistics so you can show up. Here is the prompt for you to copy and paste. I am delivering a message about the topic to the audience. Help me prepare my presence. Give me 3 anchor phrases I can repeat. Predict 3 tough questions and give me calm, firm answers. What is the one emotion I want them to feel when I stop talking? Where should I pause for maximum impact? And give me a 20-second closing that sounds decisive. The result? You stop overthinking, you start communicating and leading. Remember I said I'll share with you the one sentence that kills your influence? Well, this is it. Sorry, this might be a stupid question or a stupid idea, but I'd like to tell you about this. That one line trains the room to downgrade you before you even speak. So I suggest you try an anchor phrase. Try this instead. Here is what I'm seeing. The rest we're not naming is, my recommendation is, conviction isn't volume, it's clarity. Real influence comes when you stop trying to be influential and then you start being honest. AI helps you build the bridge, but you still have to cross it. Your challenge this week is picking one scary conversation. Run prompt number 1, draft 0. Run prompt number 2, reframe it. And run prompt number 3, anchor and tough questions. If you want the full 18 prompts, please download the blueprint in the description of the video. Now, what's the one sentence you are done shrinking and that you're gonna leave behind? Let me know in the comments. Remember, in the next video, we will deep dive in use case number 3. We are gonna talk about how to protect your energy so you can lead with impact without hitting a wall. I'll see you soon.